everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make classic English scones with raisins. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, sift together the flour, baking powder, sugar and salt. When making scones, the first thing you'll want to do is to sift all your dry ingredients. I find that aerating the flour in this way makes for a lighter scone. The next thing we're gonna add is the raisins. If you are not fond of raisins, use another dried fruit guys, such as dried blueberries or dried cranberries. For this particular recipe, you do not want to use fresh fruits. So the next thing you're gonna add is the butter. This butter is not cold guys, it's at room temperature. Now rub the butter into flour using a snapping motion. When you are done, the flour mixture will look fine dry breadcrumbs. It will look a bit like wet sand. Next, we're gonna add all our wet ingredients, which are buttermilk, 1 beaten egg, and vanilla extract. Stir with a fork to give a soft, slightly tacky dough that's hold well together. Once the dough has come together, we're gonna tip it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead gently for a couple times. Do not overmix guys, as we don't want tough scones. Once the dough has come together nicely, now we're gonna pat it out to 1 inch thickness like this guys. Now it's time to cut out the scones. I'm going to use a drinking glass guys. You are more than welcome to use a cookie cutter, but today I prefer to use a drinking glass. Place the cutouts on a parchment lined baking sheet. Rework the scraps and cut out more, but bear in mind guys, they will not be as nice as the first cut. That's why you have to cut as many as you can from the first paring out. Now brush the top slightly with an egg wash. Here I used 1 egg beaten with 1 tablespoon of cold water. Now it's time to pop this in the oven. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. I just pulled out the scones from the oven guys. It smells so good in my house guys. Let me open one and show you guys the texture of the interior. Guys, look how it is light and soft. crunchy on the outside while soft and moist in the inside. It doesn't even crumble apart. Serve with cream and your favorite jam. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. And if you want the ingredients and measurements, they are all listed in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.